to my channel. I hope you're all very well today. I will apologise before I even start this video for the lighting, because the weather has been bizarre today, so the lighting will probably be terrible coming in and out, so I do apologise in advance for that. But welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all very well today. Today I'm going to bring you guys another favourites video. I've been collecting a bunch of different products to show you guys in a favourites video. I was going to do one last month, and then the month just went by like that and I hadn't done a favourites video, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to collect all those products together and show you them all today in a brand new favourites video. I hope you all enjoy this. It was going to be like a July favourites, June favourites, but it's kind of just like a collective favourites over the last few months. But do not forget to smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a lovely little comment to read down below, and then make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. And let's get started. So I literally don't know where to start. I've got so many products just behind the camera right now, I just don't know where to start. I'm going to start off actually with a phone case that was sent to me kindly by Nudian. And this is what the phone case looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. It protects my phone really well. I'm the worst. I constantly drop my phone, so it's got a little smash up here in it. And I'm literally constantly breaking and dropping my phone. So I needed a brand new phone case, and they've kindly sent this one through. This is in Sangria Red. They do a bunch of different colours. I'll link everything in this video down in the description box below for you all, in case there are any products that you fancy getting. So this one is absolutely gorgeous. It is one of the world's thinnest phone cases. It's so thin, and it just snaps onto your phone, which is so good, and it's so secure as well. Like, I can't get this off unless I proper try to. You can't get this off. Like, it's not going to just fall off your phone. It fits so nicely and so snug. So the next product I've got, I don't know whether I should just go straight in with all the makeup stuff. I feel like I should, because this is mainly like a makeup favourites. I'm going to do like the hair bits first, then I'm going to go in skincare, then into makeup, I think. So for hair, I've got this here, which if you've been on my channel before and you've seen any of my hair videos, you'll know that I love John Frieda. They do all sorts of different shampoos and conditioners, especially for blondes. I'm not a natural blonde, but I've kind of got some blonde in there, so I love their purple shampoos. This one is a brand new one they've brought out, and this is the Intensely Purple shampoo. This is like an intensive pigment one, so it's got with crushed violet pigment, so it knocks out stubborn brassy tones in one use. And I actually tried this out, and the actual product itself is insane. Like, if you see here, this is the shade of the product. Normally it's a lot more pastel than that, so the pigment in this is genuinely ridiculous. Like, it's extremely pigmented, but it definitely does the job. Like, this is like a few days after I've used it, and it brightened my hair up so much. So this is well worth the money. But if you are wanting to buy these, just keep a lookout, because they have sales on it all the time where you can get like 2 for £7 and things like that, and they're such good value. But the product is so bright. Like, I'll just show you, and there you can see how bright the colour of the product actually is. Like, it's so intense, but that means the product's going to work so well. So the next one that I've got for hair, I think I might have actually shown this before. These are from Shein. These clips are like 99p, and you get 2 packs of them, so you get like 12 clips. They're really cute. They do not snag your hair at all, and they're just really pretty, so I just kind of had to throw them in there, just kind of touch on and just to show you guys. So the next thing I've got is this mirror here. This I also think I might have shown you guys before. This is the Zoeva Mirror. Absolutely stunning, and I've been using this every single day. This is what the mirror looks like. It folds out, and it's completely adjustable. As well as that, it's got an adjustable stand on the back, so you can adjust it to like any sort of angle that you want it to be. I just find this so handy, and if you travel a lot, or if you just need a new mirror for your makeup, or just anything general like that, make sure you get your hands on one of these. I got mine in the sale, and you can buy it off so many different websites. I got mine off Beauty Bay in the sale, but super cheap, and it's so slim as well that it just fits in your bag, so it's amazing for travel. So I'm going to move on, and I'm going to show you some skincare bits now. The first one is one that I literally live by. I bought this about 6 months ago now, I think. You can buy these like literally anywhere. You can buy them like home bargains, in Superdrug, anything. So this is my simple refreshing facial wash. This is absolutely insane. You put this on your skin, and it just feels like pure aloe vera all over your skin. It smells incredible. It just smells of aloe vera. Feels like aloe vera. It just feels so nice, and it leaves your skin looking so glowy and just feeling absolutely insane. So I just wanted to be really translucent for a second and just say that in this kind of video, I don't want to say a haul, but in this favourites video, one product is sponsored. I will obviously be putting ads on the screen when it is up. All opinions in this video are of my own, so I'll only ever promote products I actually believe in and that are cruelty free, all things like that. So I just wanted to point that out and say that all of the opinions in this are my own. I will be linking them all in the description box down below. some of those may be affiliate links, but that doesn't mean like you guys are going to be charged for anything else. It just means I get a small commission from selling through the link. So this is absolutely insane. It just smells so good and feels so good, and it just leaves your skin feeling absolutely incredible. And the next one I've got is something I actually bought really recently. Bought this from Tesco's. It's another simple product. This is the Oil Be Gone Micellar Water. My skin has been getting very oily, especially my forehead. At the moment it's alright, but my forehead has been getting so oily. So I thought, you know what, I'll treat myself to this. It was supposed to be £4.65 and I got it reduced to £3.26 in a clearance sale. I think it's really, really nice products. It looks so good. I have been using it, as you can tell, I have been using it. And so far, not having any problems with it. It feels really nice on my skin. My skin actually just seems to be clearing up because I was getting a few blemishes and such. My skin is clearing up quite a bit because it's supposed to be for blemish and oily prone skin. So, hopefully that does the trick. But so far I've been absolutely loving it. Another one that's kind of similar to that is this, again, by Simple. This is the eye makeup remover. This removes waterproof mascara as well. This, I've been trying to do like heavier eye looks and like kind of focus on improving my eye makeup and that kind of thing. So this one is an absolute lifesaver. This helps to take off like the heavier makeup. So I use normal micellar or like that micellar to remove my makeup with, but then I use this when it comes to my eyes. I've got a few of these. And they're just so good. They just take your eye makeup off so much faster than normal micellar does. It's just really good. I'm just gonna have a look, see if we can turn the lighting up because it's gone a bit dark again. So we're gonna just, oh, that was darker. Oh, I can't do this because of my nails. Okay, so I've just tried to turn the lighting up a little bit because it's just got a bit dark outside. It's got a bit overcast. So this part of today's video is sponsored, and I just want to show you this gorgeous top that I did get. I have done another video just fully on this top, so if you haven't seen it yet, make sure you do check it out. I style loads of different ways you can wear the top. I tell you about all the different colours it comes in, all the different sizes, everything. So make sure you do check that out. But this is the top. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've been wearing this all the time. It's just so pretty. I felt the blue really brings out the blue in my eyes, and it's just such a gorgeous little top. Such a nice material, and it's made with such good quality. So I just wanted to kind of mention this because it's so nice. So it comes in so many different sizes. You can get it from small all the way up to 3XL, which I think is really good because it's very diverse for a different variety of different audiences and different people. But this is so gorgeous. It's just so pretty. I love the colours. I absolutely love the font. It's just such a lovely little top. I really like it. This is from kind of a small business, so I love to give love and lots of support to small businesses, so make sure you do check them out on their Instagram page. As I said, it'll be down below. So many different ways you could style this for summer. I really like wearing this tied up. That's why it's a little bit creased at the bottom, because I like wearing this tied up, especially with like jeans and jeggings and shorts and things like that. Just go with so many other things as well. I really like layering clothing at the moment, so I've been layering a couple of different outfits with this too. But yeah, this is one of my favourite new tops. It's so cute, and I've been wearing it all the time. It's so comfy that I've been wearing it as loungewear as well as wearing it to go out. I do have this palette here, which is the Revolution Reloaded Jeweled palette. I've been trying a lot of the Reloaded palettes at the moment. Very good, and they're so cheap, so I definitely get my hands on some of them if you haven't already. This one's like a majority shimmer palette. It's got this one and this one here, which are matte. The rest of them are shimmers, but the shimmers in here, like, I'll just swatch a couple for you. Like, they're very pigmented, which is obviously a really good thing, but they're absolutely insanely pigmented, so I couldn't like not include this palette. I have worked with Sand & Sky recently. You might have seen on my channel I did a video kind of reviewing their products because they sent me a bundle over very kindly. This is their serum. Again, this isn't sponsored at all. This is my complete own opinion. I just got this gifted to me and I've been using it every day and I'm obsessed. So I just wanted to introduce this to you guys and show you guys. This is the Emu Apple Dreamy Glow Drops. Look at how big this bottle is. This bottle is like so big, but it smells so good. Like, I've used so much of this up already, but it smells so nice and it leaves your skin feeling so good as well. I used this underneath my makeup before as well, and it didn't even make my makeup look oily or anything. It just made my skin feel really nice. Just smell really good as well. I can't really put my finger on what it smells like, but it's just so good. So I just had to include that one and just kind of not introduce you guys to it because I've already shown you guys in a video, but I just had to mention it because I've been using this twice a day, every day. So next are my final 3 skincare items. These, I had no idea these were coming to my house. This is the Coco and Eve new bundle. I saw this online. I was this close, literally this close to buying it. And I thought, you know what? No, I need to save my money. I need to stop buying things I don't really need. And then the next day this came in the post. And it was like, it's literally like they knew I was looking at it. It's insane. So this is a 3-pack. It does come up with some other bits as well. I just wanted to show you like these specifically. This is a 3-pack for the Coco and Eve Glow figure. And this is new. I'm obsessed with it. It comes with 3 different things. So one of them is the Moisture Body Whip, which is my favourite. I literally use this all the time. The next one I've got is the Ballet Buffing Sugar, which I'll actually be using today because I'm going to be tanning later on for an actually I'm going to be doing a Coco and Eve video later on, tanning, like testing out their tan. I'm going to be using the Buffing Sugar to actually just kind of exfoliate a bit before I apply the tan. And then they also have this Bounce Body Mask, which I haven't tried out yet. I do really want to. I also just want to point out that these smell like top tier. These smell insane. They smell of lychee and dragon fruit, it says, which I've never actually sniffed a lychee or a dragon fruit, but the smell of this combined is so good. It also does have coconut in it, but it just smells insane. The texture of it as well, really good texture. So it's now time to move on to the makeup, which is my favourite part of the haul. I also did miss this out, but I don't really know what this is. It's not really makeup, it's not really skincare, it's kind of like an application. So this here, I got from Primark for about £1. It's supposed to be a brush cleaner. It's supposed to add soap and water and then clean your brushes with it. I do use it as a brush cleaner, but I never really had soap and water. You know when you've got like a brush and it's got like pigment from another colour on it, you just want to like get that pigment off, like an eyeshadow brush for example. So I just kind of rub it on here a few times and then the pigment is off. So it's kind of like a mini hack and it's really good. So I just use this and I've been using it like all the time, so I just kind of had to pop that in. So the next items, as I said, all makeup related. I'm just going to start. I'm not really going to do this in any order. I'm just going to pick bits off my windowsill and just show you them. This one, to start off with, is the Super Dewy Skin Tint from Revolution. If you guys have been watching my videos recently, I've included this in so many videos. It's ridiculous. You're just going to be so bored of it. This is really nice though. This is in the shade Medium Light, which is absolutely perfect for me. I am wearing this shade today. I really like this. I originally bought it in medium, but it was a little bit too dark, so I thought I'd try light medium as well, which is absolutely perfect. These are really cheap. I love the fact that they're like squishy bottles, but they've also got a pump on the end, which makes it so much easier. I love the actual design of it. It's so pretty, and Revolution just never fail me. Like, they never fail to impress. Like, I'm always impressed. I just love their products so much. Talking about Revolution, managed to get my hands on one of the glow palettes from Surf's new Revolution range. This is the Cookies and Cream one. Again, I'm actually wearing this today. I feel like I'm wearing a lot of the products in this video today. This is her highlight, which is insane. You can see how much I've been like swatching and playing with these. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the little mirror that comes in it too. Just so gorgeous. Then I've got this liner. Don't think I've shown this on my channel before. I don't think I've shown it like ever. This is the Rimmel London Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. Absolutely gorgeous is this. This is in the shade Savage. So Savage, shade 4. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to use it on my eyes because obviously I've got makeup on, but I'll just kind of swatch it for you guys. It is the shimmeriest and the most stunning thing ever. I have this in pink too. I've been using the orange one quite a lot. This is so good for liner for a beginner. I'm not very good at eyeliner. I've only just started in the last like couple of weeks. I've been trying to practice. I couldn't do my eyeliner to save my life with anything. The only product I could do my liner with was this. So if you are new at doing eyeliner and you just kind of want to try something out and you just want to experiment with liner, get yourself one of these. Not the most cheap thing in the world. They are £7, but they last a while. They are insane. Like, the amount of like pigment on them, like they are so, like they are insanely pigmented. They are so sparkly, so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with them. I love them so much. It's also got like a holographic design on the actual writing. Like, the writing is holographic, which I think is really cool. But yeah, this is so worth the money. If you're new into eyeliner, I could not recommend this anymore. Next one is a little bit of a throwback. This is my O for highlight. This is the mini highlight Rodeo Drive. It's stunning. I got this from Beauty Bay, I believe, about 6 months ago. Was obsessed with it, and I got a few new highlights and I hadn't used it since. So I wanted to just kind of pop back and revisit this one, and I did about a week ago, and I haven't put it down since. It's absolutely stunning still. Do love it. It's got a gorgeous shimmer to it. It's kind of got a golden kind of shimmer to it, and it's just so pretty. I'm going to apply this to my face a little bit because I don't want to have just even more swatches on my hands. So I just think that's absolutely stunning. The next one is from Morphe. I feel like I've got a really good mix of different brands today, and I really like that. So this one is from Morphe, and this is their little blush palette I bought recently. I actually got it as my Morphe haul. This is the Blush Trio Pop of Blush. All honesty, I love the shade Fearless. This one's a little bit too kind of nude for me. It's a bit too like brown and nude. I've not tried this one. It kind of looks like it could be a nice highlight shade. So this shade in the middle I use literally all the time. It's so pretty, and it literally is perfect for my skin tone. I haven't tried the other ones, but the two look absolutely gorgeous. But literally that's a life-saving one. That's just so pigmented and it's so pretty. It just blends so nicely. Next one is this here. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. This is in the shade 0.1 and it's from Revolution. I love their Cut Crease Canvas Conceal and Define one, so I had to give this one a go as well. And I actually bought this quite a while ago, and I hadn't really tried it out that much. I didn't really give it much of a shot. I've been using this as an eyeshadow base and like a primer sometimes, because I love the P. Louise ones, but I just thought I'd give this one a go. Honestly, it's not as good as P. Louise, because I've never found a base as good as P. Louise for it. But this is the next one down. This, if you can't get P. Louise, get this. This is so good. It blends so nicely into my lid and just into my skin. I used it as an under eye concealer before, but I preferred my other one from Revolution. But as a primer, this is really good. The shade is perfect. It blends in really nicely, and to like use your concealer on your blemishes, your chin, your nose, things like that, this is really good for as well. I just don't like it under my eyes that much. And then the final item from this video is this absolutely stunning palette from Revolution. They have just brought this out. This is the Envy palette, and it's gorgeous. I love the packaging to start with. It's very holographic. So it looks like inside. And I'm sorry, but if you cannot say this is stunning, like, this is top tier. This is absolutely incredible. Like, I don't think Revolution's done a palette like this before. It has so many shimmers. It's got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got about 22 shimmers. The rest are matte. So it's about half of them are shimmers, but it's got so many gorgeous shades. It's got so many like blues and greens and turquoises. I love the purples. The shimmers are just like so pigmented though. Like, that's the gold one. It just looks so gorgeous, and I'm just so in love with this palette already. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you have all enjoyed this. I really enjoyed filming it for you. I thought it was just kind of fun, just kind of go through a few favourites with you. Do not forget to smash that big thumbs up button and leave me a lovely little comment to read later on down below. And if you did enjoy this, make sure to subscribe to see more just like it. And that is pretty much it from me for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!